Hi there, my name's Samir Hussain. It's nice to meet you. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to start a marketing agency step by step. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. Let's get started. A marketing agency is a business that provides marketing services to other businesses. This could include services like social media marketing, paid advertising, email marketing, and the list goes on. The great thing about starting a marketing agency is that you don't need to be an expert in all of these different areas of marketing. You just need to have some basic knowledge, and then you can hire people to help you deliver the services. Now, there are two ways that you can go about starting a marketing agency. The first way is to start from scratch, which is what I recommend if you want to have more flexibility and freedom with your time. The second way is to buy an existing marketing agency. This can be a good option if you want to hit the ground running and you have the capital to buy an established business. If you decide to start a marketing agency from scratch, here are the steps that you need to take. First, you need to choose a name for your agency. You want to choose a name that is catchy and easy to remember. Next, you need to decide what services you will offer. I recommend starting out by offering one or two services and then expanding as you grow. Third, you need to set up a website and social media accounts for your agency. This will help you establish your online presence and attract potential customers. Fourth, you need to start networking and building relationships with other businesses in your area. This can be done by attending industry events, joining professional organizations, and reaching out to businesses directly. Fifth, you need to develop a pricing structure for your services. There are several different ways that you can price your services. You can charge a fixed fee, a percentage of the client's revenue, or an hourly rate. Finally, you need to get started with getting clients. You can do this by following the tips that I shared in my video on how to get clients for your new business. If you want to take the more traditional route when it comes to starting your marketing agency, you can also buy an existing business. This can be a great option if you want to hit the ground running and you have the capital to invest. When you buy an existing marketing agency, you will have access to an established client base, a team of experienced professionals, and a proven business model. To find an existing marketing agency for sale, you can use online marketplaces such as Flipper and BizBuySell. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.